Hi again, everybody. I am now in Henderson, Nevada. I am staying at the Lake Las Vegas Hilton, and I am in a king suite room this time. So I'm going to give you a room tour, and I'm starting with the front balcony. So actually there are two balconies in this room. The first is just a Juliet balcony, so this is the view from the Juliet balcony. I'm going to show you, sort of turn around without making you queasy. What a great view, right? So this is the king suite. This is the living room. This room is huge. Let me show you, like, the ceilings are very, very tall. Lots of seating space, but there's only one bed in here, and I don't think it's a pull-out couch, so this is really made for just two people. So I apologize, our breakfast leftovers are on the table. We're getting ready to check out. We got here late last night, and I didn't want to do a video without it being daylight outside so you could see the beautiful view. So when you enter the room, there's sort of a half bath. You can see it's just a standard half bath, but it's nice to have an extra. And also we are on the 8th floor. The room is 1849. So you can see when you walk in how huge it is. Like, this room is as big as our condo at home. There are two large TVs, one in the living room and then one in the bedroom too. So we're gonna walk through to the bedroom, and there's this small little enclave in the living room where you have a coffee maker, and they had coffee, and there's a little fridge down below as well. It didn't keep the water super cold, but it was good enough. So there's a large closet in the bedroom, and you have two of the luggage rack things. You have an ironing board and an iron, and I think there was one extra pillow, so we put that out on the bed because there were only 3 pillows on the bed. Here's the bathroom. It's pretty large, 2 doors, nice big tub, 2 sinks, and a shower. Nice and roomy, nothing super special though, and a toilet with a door. So here's your bedroom. Pretty big. Again, the bed is not neat and clean because we already slept in it, but nice writing desk. I know that other people have commented that the decor is sort of tired looking and needs updated, but I mean, it definitely is in sync with the whole theme of the resort, with that, like, old school Italianate style. But having 2 balconies in your king suite is awesome. Like, this one obviously is tiny, but my gosh, look at the view. This is so beautiful. So you look out over the pool, and I believe that that's the spa over there. Spa Ravella, I think it's called. There's a big waterfall back there. And so this is part of Lake Las Vegas. And then you have the part of Lake Las Vegas Hilton that is over the river. So I think they call that Ponte Vecchio, possibly. But the view is just so beautiful, and you could stand here and watch the birds. So a lot of different types of birds hanging out around the water. People come out and, like, walk their dogs around this pretty circle, and you can hear the birds making a lot of noise, but people are having fun down in the pool. And I don't know if it's heated or not. I probably should have figured that out, but we're not going to stay to swim today. But when we got here late last night, we walked down to the sort of, I don't even know what you call it. It's like a little village where you can go to different restaurants and There were all kinds of people down there. I guess people who live in these neighborhoods, they have golf carts and they drive their golf carts down there and come out to dinner. There's a lot of little places where you can eat beside the water on the lake. And we went to the Asian restaurant called, I think it's called 1-5. Not 1-5 the numbers, but 1 spelled out and then the number 5. So it was really good. We really enjoyed it. It was good service and a pretty good experience. So you might want to try that out. But we heard good things about the Mexican restaurant and the Italian restaurant as well. Just a really scenic little place to come. And I would imagine this would be a great place to bring your family for a vacation because it's not as hectic and crowded as downtown Las Vegas. Which is where we're headed next. So I hope you enjoyed this room tour and it was helpful, and like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. I'm trying to build up my channel. Thanks so much. Have a great day.